5 things you need to do to become popular. 5 things you need to do to become a celebrity. If you want to become popular, you want to become famous, these 5 things go help you. Few years ago, nobody know this person wey sit down for here, but as of today, if you open your mouth talk say you no know who Geh Geh be, it's a crime. It's a national crime, and you go pay dearly for it. Nobody go pity you. For you to say you don't know me, na big crime wey be say they go hold you, you go pay. Are you part of us? Are you a Nigerian? Are you living in this world? For you to talk say you don't know who I be. As of today, I fit boldly tell you, apart from Burna Boy, Davido, Whiskey, no other person they know pass Geh Geh. Whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not, he did there. So if you don't say who is Geh Geh, people go very look. You sure say you dey Nigeria? Are you a Nigerian? So now these 5 things I do will really help me. Number 1 thing you need to do to become a celebrity or to become popular is to be different and unique. What is celebrity? What is fame? Fame simply means you have the attention of the people on you, and there's no way people are going to pay attention to you if you look you look like every other person, or you behave like every other person. You know that. So now just the secret be that just be a different person so that they can easily spot you from the rest of the people. Now so it end. You see this girl wey trend that time, Kelly. Now her look, her beauty, now wetin give her fame. Even this boy, Geh, now him face, he look, give her that fame that time. What of this boy wey dey cut a stream now, Kolu? Now that he look and the way they talk, you say that thing don't easily separate her from the rest people. That thing don't simply separate her from the rest people. It can easily be noticed. There's a reason why I look like this. Go check the videos when I pay for my Instagram. Come back to my present videos. I look way different from that person. Now me choose this look. I choose to look like this, bro. No let my look bother you. Now me choose this look so that people can easily identify. From back, they say from back, even small children was a see me. They say see Geh Geh. They go invite other people. People should come. Geh Geh is passing. When I come, they invite people because the boy look unique. Even if you put 50 people will look like me for the same place, I go see they very, very outstanding. Nobody look like me. Nobody be like me. Nobody cute like me. nobody sweet like me. I sweet finish. Now me choose this look, bro. Not worry. Forget. You understand? So people can easily spot you. Recently, one girl come visit me, so she was like, "Make we go out." Guy, you know, we don't spend many days for this house. You know they come out. I got a laugh. At last, me I know they come out. So personally, I live a very boring life. My lifestyle is very, very boring. The personal one, and the sacrifice one they pay so that my outside life go fit dey very, very entertaining. You need to understand. Say I be person we say people they pay to see. And for that to happen, I must preserve myself. I must be preserved. I don't feel they do everything everybody they do. I don't feel they go where everybody they go. Now sacrifice when they pay be that. So now these things you need to they put in. Before even when this thing was not paying me, I don't they live this lifestyle already. I'm always isolated, creating, building something. Now when the thing don't explode, nobody go talk about when the person they build, they strategize. Now strategy, are they inside? They work on the look, they work on the way they talk. Even when we did Ghana that time, go ask question. My former age mate, HK mate, they go tell you. I did that time. After normal break time, I'll come. They lecture, they teach, they talk to myself. That's how they feel like that they crazy. But today the whole thing is paying off. But there was a time I was isolated. I did think, I did plan. Now the fruits don't ripe. my fruit don't ripe. My fruit don't ripe now. There's all these things now. So personally, I live a very boring life so that my outside life go be very, very entertaining. I dey preserve myself. I know they go everywhere where everybody feel. I know if you do everything everybody they do, because the moment I know they go where everybody they go, nothing go dey special about me again. So if I dey everywhere, they see me everywhere easily like that. I don't want to pay to come see me. Now the thing be that, okay, you want me to carry go that place when me and you want to drink, when me and you don't drink finish now, go ask now. Place will be saying my target customer be that will be say, you go feel okay, make the book carry Geh Geh come this place. If me and you don't go that place, go enjoy. I don't want to book me come that place again with money. So personally on my own, what you they see as enjoyment, now my job, they pay me to do it. So you feel easily go there as part of your normal life, but me I not go feel easily go there. I need to see money before I go there. You understand all these things? So when I explain all these things, give the girl, call it the other, says, okay, no wonder. You understand? So you need to have a life that is very, very different and unique to you, so that people can, so that will easily separate you from the rest of the people. Number two thing you need to do to become a celebrity, you have to embrace your unfair advantages. At a time where everybody they sing, all musicians they come, they talk from their grass to grace story. I did gota, now I don't make am, I don't buy Lambo. Davido just come from nowhere, say, Madami Duro, the son of a rich man and from a wealthy family, he embraced the unfair advantages. A singer to your face, say, my papa get money, I don't need your help. I'm coming here to use my father's influence, his money and everything to support the talent I already have, to push myself to greater heights. And even to today, see, they let you they know the show of wealth, private jets, everything, expensive trip. They let you they know, say, I not come from struggle. And they use wealth, they build this thing, they go. So the wealth, the family wealth is an advantage for him, and he capitalized on it well. If you are a tall person, capitalize on your advantage. Work, man, not go dey struggle with short people. Say, make it not be say I want use my height, say intimidate people. No, if na your advantage be that, embrace it, work on it. You understand what I dey talk? If na short, you short. Embrace short go easily let people notice you. If you short, you see the Aki Apopo. Now why I talk say Aki Apopo that time, now the look really make them look funny. People they feel I don't know what I talk. I say I talk say Aki Apopo not funny. On the twist where people they talk. On the twist where people they talk. I say now their look, the height. Now what really make them look funny. Now why it's okay now we say they don't they bit fat, they can't they cute and well balanced. Check them now why are they not funny anymore? So the look contribute to what really make them look funny that time. Now what I talk be that. You understand what they talk? You see person like age and another thing too. At the time where we say every person where they do an old people, whiskey come into the game as a very young person. Then we spot and say, who be this small boy? When they do this thing way better than even the way the old people they do them. Age and advantage, your unfair advantage, embrace them, then capitalize on them. Then you go see say people go easily notice you. Who be that normal data boy way sweet where else coming to the game? Who be that guy we don't know Geh Geh? Hey, who be that guy we don't know Geh Geh? See, who be that guy we don't know Geh Geh? Hey, who be that guy we don't know Geh Geh? See, you go cry. You understand all these things now? People go easily notice when you look different from every other person. So if you are a girl, you are so beautiful, go where they appreciate beauty. Capitalize on it. Not go they say because say I'm fine now. I don't want to do this kind of thing. I mean, people not go say they use my no. Use your beauty oppress people. Use your beauty oppress people. If you are ugly, go where they notice ugly people. Everything for this world get advantage. It's just for you to know where you belong. They capitalize on it. As you see me, so personally, I talk a lot. When people they say I see Geh Geh for real life, the guy was shy, not to the talk. Oga, at the talk. Now you say maybe I not just want talk. You know, say not be everywhere you do you they talk. How many people now they quit take advantage of people? Go they say you just they talk anyhow. If you are there around my friends, as they tired, I mean they start the talk, I mean they end the talk. Because my family, I'm from a family of teachers, not teaching, and there's no way you want to teach when you not sabi talk. Now pastors and teachers who my family, and me I be one of them. When I did SS2, I don't they teach GSS1 to GSS3 for the school. When I go and ask. Even when I still finish secondary school that time, after everything, I still get private school when I the head where they teach everything. So this talking a part of me, so I capitalize on a brain. I always say every time I'm always here advising people. That's my job. I always advise you. You not getting that thing I want to do apart from advising people. Because I'm waiting I sabi do be that. So I always capitalize on them. Anything you know how to do or any advantage where nature give you, no matter how it be, whether you look a certain way they different from every other person, capitalize on it. There's nothing like ugly or beauty. Now you see all those things. If you build them well, you go use that take get the attention of the people. And once attention is there, money will come. Money they follow attention, they come. As you get investing, get everywhere. So now money be that. You not go understand. Because the way the boy they live in a very private life, so you not go understand what they go on behind the scene. Then number 3 thing you need to do to become a celebrity or to become very popular. Number 3 thing you need to do is to market your skills. Now you don't dey isolated, you don't dey build all this lifestyle, you don't know your advantages. It is now time for you to market these things to the world to see. Because even if you look this beautiful, normal, sweet, beautiful girl, if you not market yourself, now only people wey dey your area go only know you as get one fine girl wey dey this street o. You not pass there, and there's no way, you're not going to walk past that place go. So you need to start marketing. Stop hiding yourself. Embrace your greatness. Embrace, show the world who you be, what you are made of. Geh Geh is a financial expert, the first illiterate to found the university in the history of Africa. I create a record for TikTok, biggest live stream in the history of Africa, solo, single-handedly. Not be say I invite Burna, but only me solo. The boy from Delta State run now without the help of anybody, solo. So show yourself to the world, brag about yourself, tell people wetin you be. And now you dey assume say people know you, people not really know you like that. So now you go tell them say na so I be. Now why say every day watch every of my video, why they tell people say if you watch video to this level, write my name in capital letter. I don't know say you know my name, if they remind you to write my name in capital letter. I know, but every day I go always remind you, say see who I be before you go forget me. You understand what this is now? So show people what you are made of, market yourself, sell yourself. Nobody go do one for you. Push yourself, put your face in the face of people, let them see you. Say see me for here. If you go public place, go sit down for front, not go dey hide for back. The front is meant for you. It's for great people, and you are a great person. Go and sit in the front. You understand all these things? Now, not go they say na special people they dey the front. To go there, because people wey dey front, they go easily see them before the people wey dey back. So they where they go easily notice you. Speak when everybody dey speak. Not go they say you want the form and me get high class. Then when before you go reach your time to speak, meet the door close. Everybody don't work come out. Be the first person to talk. Even if the thing when you talk not make sense, they will sit say that girl wey first start the talk that time. They describe the queen easily position you. Say okay, that girl wey first start to where that meeting, the first person wey talk. That one say they go use that one to recognize you first. Now part of the process, you know, understand. Number 4, associate yourself with known people, celebrities. You know that people that already know, we already popular. My collaboration with OGB helped me a lot, especially that Jiwagon saga that time. That really helped catapult me to the next level. Because some people dey this level be say, not be say they not they see what you they do, but they start see you with people where they like, or people that they appreciate, or people that they admire. They not go pay attention to what you they do. Even if you like, give all the best of what you they do. If they not they see you with other people where they like, they go look at that Geh Geh said the guy they do one kind. But immediately they not they see you say okay, this guy said don't see the package with other people. They go see one associate themselves with your brand. Now part of life, you not go blame them. You know that even yourself you they criticize people from afar. You they judge people from afar. So people deal with they judge Geh Geh from afar. But the moment they go say this guy say they deal with the emoji, and no be na person when they like. You go say okay, that's more likeness. You know the shifter they come my side. Now part of the thing. Then my collaboration with Honest Bunch that time. When I take go Honest Bunch, when they invite me that time, you see that thing it still push me. You see my recent collaboration with Pella, it still push my brand. So associate yourself with known brand or known personality who already popular and famous. So that small fame say they go see attachment to you. People like them Israel DMW, now Davido fame still make them become celebrity. You see person like DJ Tunes, now Whiskey fame still make them become celebrity. So by associating yourself with celebrities, known people already, that can easily give you fame. Simple as ABC. You understand all these things now. This video not too long. If you watch out to this level, write my name in capital letter, Geh Geh. You know that. Then number 5 thing you need to do to become a celebrity or to become popular is to imitate what people don't popular what they do already. You understand? Imitate some of the things they don't do, where they put into action, where push it to that level. Maybe what I don't tell you already. Some of all these things when I tell you, can implement them, add your own source and everything to it. They use it to push yourself to the next level. Because for you when they start afresh, it go really hard for you to see who's already popular when one really use we go want use you, where you go want use the brand, they build your brand. At least you go build yourself to some level. We go facing make you say okay, you want collaborate, you want to associate with all these people. So implement everything way I don't implement like this now. You don't understand. They push yourself to the next level. Don't forget, I'm ready to see you at the top. I don't already did the top already. I'm already at the top. I'm waiting here. Climb. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you at the top, Climb. God bless you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.